for English medium students, those who are appearing in upcoming examination of semester 2, and as a co-curricular subject they have selected guidance and counseling. I am preparing lecture series of MCQs. Go through the all lectures, like the videos and subscribe the channel. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, as subscription behave like a booster dose for those who are preparing such lectures and upload the lectures on YouTube. It's really a very time-taking process, and for each uploading of video on YouTube, it takes a lot of time, at least an investment of minimum 2 to 3 hours for each video. So like the videos and subscribe the channel, and also promote this channel among your friend circle, because this is a pure educational channel, so it needs a lot of your support and promotion of the channel from your side to your peer group, friends and others like-minded people. Thank you. Let us start lecture 1, guidance and counseling for semester 2. Guidance and counseling, semester 2 English medium, MCQ lecture 1. First question: guidance is a general term which means helping people to make wise choices and solve their. First option is vocational problems, second option is personal problems, third is educational problems. But for this question, all of the above, all three are true, so option D is correct. Question number 2: the complexity and variety of modern day life takes a heavy toll of. First is human resources, second is human energy, third is A and B, both are, and fourth is none of the above. So the correct answer is C, human resources and human energy. Both are useful. Third question, the definition is given by the following definition: guidance means helping John to see through himself in order that he may see himself through. This definition is given by Honorins. So the correct option is C. Applied Psychological Bureau, Calcutta was established in year 1905. So correct option is option B. Next question, question number 5. Guidance is an integral to educational activity and is a continuous process irrespective of grade level. B is age. So the answer is grade level and age. Both are correct. So correct option is option C. A and B both. Question number 6. Every individual faces the problem of adjustment. The statement is true. So the correct option is C. Again, the statement based problem. To guide means to indicate, to point out, to show the way. It means more than to assist. The statement is given by Jones. So the correct option is option B. Question number 8. Guidance is not a continuous process. This statement is true. So the option is A is correct. Guidance is a process of dynamic interpersonal relationship designed to influence the attitudes and subsequent behavior of a person. Again, the correct option is B, because this statement is again the true statement. Question number 10. Guidance is usually given by qualified and trained person to develop own point of view of oneself. Again, the statement is true, so the correct option is option C. Question number 11. Guidance means more than to assist. This statement is true, so the correct option is option C. So this is all about today's lecture 1, and on next day, tomorrow, I will upload lecture 2 from question number 12 and onwards. So please keep on watching and subscribe the channel.